This is one in a series of videos dedicated to how top salespeople think. They think differently than the average salesperson does. Watch this video, then rethink your thought process. Idea number 3 is be humble. Top salespeople, believe it or not, are actually humble. They don't believe they walk on water, and they don't think the world revolves around them. They accept success as a byproduct of diligent effort, hard work, and the quality of relationships that they've fostered. They don't take all the credit. They actually seek to spread around the credit to their team, and they appreciate the efforts of others to help them be successful. They never believe that all the success they have has come from their own work. Humility is something that is difficult to just turn on. It's more of a way of being. It's a way of thinking that is manifested in the way you behave and the way you act with other people. I've encountered so many arrogant salespeople over my long career, and I always think, boy, they could be so much more successful if they appreciated relationships and all that other people do to help them be successful. If you'd really like to reach the top ranks and stay there and be the type of person that people want to do business with and have a relationship with, be humble. There are books on humility that you can read. There are people that you can study and follow. Great leaders who are humble. Think Mahatma Gandhi. Think Martin Luther King. These people were very successful, and yet they credited others for their success. Idea number 3 for the way top salespeople think is be humble.